The President of Bangladesh is the head of state of Bangladesh. The role of the president has been changed 3 times since Bangladesh achieved independence in 1971. In 1991, with the restoration of a democratically elected government, Bangladesh adopted a parliamentary democracy. The president is now a largely ceremonial post elected by the parliament. In 1996, parliament passed new laws enhancing the president's executive authority, as laid down in the constitution, after the parliament dissolves. The president resides at the Bangabhaban, which is his office and residence. The president is elected by the 300 parliamentarians in an open ballot, and thus generally represents the majority party of the legislature. He continues to hold in office after his 5-year term expires until a successor is elected to the presidency.